Choosing a new patio door for your Sterling, Virginia home may not be as easy as you think. Due to the sheer number of choices you have for patio doors, choosing the options for your Loudoun County area home can be a difficult decision. So, how do you decide? The first thing to do is to envision what you want your patio to look like, all the way down to the door. Look for inspiration online, in magazines, and even from your neighbors to ensure your dream door fits in with the design of your patio. Secondly, pay attention to the material of the patio doors you're considering. There are several to choose from, but you want something that will be easy to maintain, keep its color, and look great for years to come. Lastly, consider the light the patio door will let into your Sterling, Virginia home. While you can choose tempered or glazed glass, is it letting in the amount of natural light you want? If you're ready to have new patio doors installed on your Sterling, Virginia home, Milcon Design and Build is here to help. Call us today at 703-581-2761 for a free quote.